Hey everybody, Sticks here. How's everybody been? I know I haven't been here in a while. I've been working for other people and all kinds of things going on. But I haven't really worked YouTube in a while. Like I said, YouTube's never really been my main source of income or even a quarter of my income. Not even that. But I didn't forget about everybody. I've just been really busy and I'm thinking of coming back in. I'm posting this video because I'm getting questions when I do check the channel that, people are worried that something happened to me or something. No, I'm fine. I'm just living the dream, you know. But what I'm going to be doing is hopefully getting my stuff situated in the shop again. Winter's starting to come and settling in for the winter, and that's usually when I start doing some YouTube videos and stuff, when I get things slowing down for me. Right now I'm working on some projects that I just don't have time for YouTube. But I will be coming in and posting some videos soon. Give me some ideas. What do you guys want to see? I don't really know or feel super inspired to do too many videos on wood spirits and stuff like that I've always done. I'd like to do something different, but I'm not quite sure yet. So, kicking around some ideas, but I just wanted to stop in and say hello to everybody. I'm putting this post on and hoping that everyone's okay. I miss everybody. And hopefully soon, I'll be posting again when things slow down, and I'd like to see everybody and say hello. So, it's good to see everybody. I hope everyone's doing well. I'm sure everybody's still checking out all the other wood carving channels and everything, and hopefully we can come up with something different and find something new to teach and something new to share, and everybody will get together and have a good time this winter. So it's good to see everybody. I'll make sure I can see everyone for the holidays and stuff, and I'll start posting again soon. All right. So just checking in with everybody and letting you know everything's fine. Just like I said, just going through day to day and doing what I got to do. Okay. So talk to everybody soon. See you guys. Thanks. Bye.